Hello guys, so I've been having an issue with this driver here. I've just solved it with this driver, the CONEXANT AC link drivers, or sometimes they can bring a multimedia controller, but with an exclamation here, with a yellowish triangle here. Yeah, yellowish. Right now I've fixed mine, but it took me like a week, so I felt that I could share with you, such that the same thing doesn't happen to you. So in this 2-minute video, let me just show you. So you're going to open your browser and then visit this site. Then you're going to come to the audio, the Toshiba audio driver. I don't know those ones who have HP or other computer brands, but maybe you can try it out, you never know. So you download this. After you download it, may have already downloaded it. I'm not going to download it again. As you can see, I already downloaded it here, so I'm not going to download it again. Then open it. After you open it, then you export. You extract this to a folder anywhere that you want. So after you extract, for me I extracted mine here on the desktop. Now come to the setup. There's a setup here. There's a setup here. Right clicking, yes, you right click on it and then go to properties and then choose compatibility mode. Now note that if you don't choose compatibility mode here, it will fail to install. Why? Because this driver it was made for Windows XP, so we are going to change its compatibility mode to Windows XP. You come to properties and then compatibility and choose Windows XP Service Pack 2. Don't choose 3, this won't work. I've tried out with this. Choose this Service Pack 2 and then click apply and OK, and then launch this software and then say yes. This should be able, you see. Have already installed this, so it's asking me if I want to upgrade. No, I'm not going to upgrade because it's the same thing, but okay, let me just click on it so that you guys could see. So it upgraded, I think that shows that, and success. So I hope this really would help you out and save you a lot of time. Thank you.